Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? Today started off to be a really gloomy and yucky day. I would say it got much better because right now the sun is shining, the skies are blue, there's no cloud. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my everyday makeup look. Miss Boba, what you doing, little dog? So the things that I'm gonna be using in today's video are mainly by Winky Lux, which is available across almost every single Target that you could think of. No, this is not a sponsored video. They did gift me a lot of makeup and this is kind of just like my reaction. Let's jump right into the video. Winky Lux sent me some of their products to show you guys how I do my everyday makeup look featuring Winky Lux products. The reason why I am dedicating an entire video to this is because when they first came out, I saw them at Target. I saw the little flower blush and I was like, wow, I have to have that. But I told myself that I have so much other makeup and it's like, I don't really need it. Maybe I just hold off a little bit. And then I got the email saying that they were gonna give me some. As you can see, this is such a cute box that they came in. I've already opened it. I haven't opened or tried any. Oh, I tried one of the products, which is a lip balm, but I haven't opened any of the packages inside. I'm going to do that on camera too, so I can show you guys like what they all sent me. First off, the package is 10 out of 10. I love it. It's so amazing. It's actually like shiny too, if you guys can see that. This is all of their products that they sent me. So the first thing, the orange. Oh my god, it's backwards, isn't it? Is it actually backwards? Oh no, it's backwards. You know what? It's okay. First one that I picked out, I didn't pick it out. The one that I just took out of the box. Orangey Bright Vitamin C Exfoliator. Now, I've been needing an exfoliator for my skin for a while now, and I just didn't buy any. That's how that looks like. The orange. Two of their concealers right here. So they are both full coverage under eye concealers. Again, the packaging is so cute. One of them is in light beige and the other one is in light medium. I think I'm probably gonna have to use the light medium because it's a little bit brighter, right? I feel like the light beige, I can definitely use the light beige. No, wait, medium is darker. What the heck? I can use the medium in the summer because it's a bit darker, and then I can use the light beige now. I literally transform in the wintertime, but these are the two. Look at their packaging, isn't it? It's so shiny and adorable. So I'm gonna go with the light beige one. Okay, so it's like a squeezy too. Oh no, I did not mean to squeeze it out like that. No, oh come on, I messed it up already. All right, I'm standing it straight up. Next is the white tea tinted moisturizer. They gave me two of them, one in medium tint and the light tint. Let's look and see what the packaging is like. Looks like this. This is a little pink bottle. Okay, so it's a pump. White tea tinted moisturizer. I got two of them. This is probably gonna be perfect because one is gonna be for the summer and the other one can be for the winter. I literally shapeshift. Next is their flower balm. Actually, I already opened and tried this. I don't know why I put it back in here, but it kind of looks like a little pill. And pop that open. There's like a little flower in there and it's so adorable. It's really hydrating and it smells so good. We have the Unibrow brow pencil. Fun fact, I do not know how to do my brows and I do not know how to use brow products, so I really need to learn. This is my natural brow. It's already really full, but I feel like sometimes I need to really go in and make them look a little fuller. Spoolie on this side and then the pencil. It is a tiny triangle. Final two are their rose blush and highlighter. So that's how they look like. These two kind of remind me of Pokeballs. I am not going to lie. Pop it open and it's like a little rose. Isn't it just so beautiful? Like, I don't even know how I'm supposed to use this. Do I use my finger? Do I just kind of... No, I don't do that. Oh my God. Their blush is in a little rose shape. It's so pretty. I don't know if I'm supposed to, like, do I break off? I don't want to break off the petals. These two got to be my favorite products. Let's jump into the makeup tutorial video. They did not give me a primer or like eyeliner, so those things are not going to be from Winky Lux. I just want to put that out real quick right now. The eyeliner I'm going to use is the Rare Beauty eyeliner, and the primer I'm going to use is the NYX Primer. I'm ran out of my Rare Beauty primer. I got the big bottle like last year. Love it. I love it so much. I think I would like a little travel size of the Illuminizer one. I really like that one, and you guys should definitely give that one a try. As you guys can tell, my skin hasn't been doing very well recently. I think it's just because of the winter and how cold everything is. It kind of like affects, you know, people's moods and emotions too, right? And stress will definitely show up on your skin. But hopefully with the weather becoming warmer, it's going to improve my happiness a little. I'm kidding. First, I'm going to hydrate my skin because she is very dry right now, and I'm using this. It's like a little moisturizer. I'm gonna go in and moisturize. They have been my favorite brand for the longest time. My mom introduced me to them, and my favorite moisturizer is the little white one with like the pump. It's amazing. I absolutely love that one. I'm going to go in with the only primer I have right now in my makeup because I just finished my Rare Beauty one. This is the NYX the Marshmallow Primer. And you can find this at Target too. And it smells so good. Super, super fluffy. Kind of like reminds me of marshmallows too. And it smells so good. A little bit definitely goes a long way. So I do not know why I put so much on my face this time. But I'm just gonna go in and try and like spread this out evenly. I'm gonna watch back on this video and be like, why is she rubbing her face so hard? You know, I really need to get it absorbed into my skin. So later I don't like dry out or flake out. But oh, nice and primed. What I typically like to do is I will put down, in this case, tinted moisturizer first, but I don't want to get it like close to my eye. Tend to dry up very fast. When I say very fast, I mean like as soon as I put concealer on. So I'm gonna go in with a white tea tinted moisturizer. Ooh, okay. Shouldn't put it up there because now I don't know if it matches my skin tone or not right now. I'm gonna put 2. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my beauty blender. Yes, she is nasty. And I'm gonna take my NYX Matte Finishing Primer. I used to use the Urban Decay one, but I finished that. I was like completely out. And whenever I put it on, it holds the makeup down more. Because my makeup is known to just like wipe off of my face. I don't know why. Like no finisher is able to hold it there, but I'm gonna go in and really blend. So this is definitely, it seems like it's a light to medium coverage, right? Try to stay away from my eye, under my eye, because I tend to dry out there a lot. It's very moisturizing. There's a lot of hydration in there. But I would say that this is definitely a very, very light coverage moisturizer, which is good because you need to let your skin breathe sometimes. I don't always want heavy coverage. Just want something to cover up like the little blemishes on my face, you know? Really? And I'm gonna use the rest of the makeup that's on this beauty blender to go on my forehead because I don't want too much up there. You can really tell whenever you put makeup on and you have too much makeup on your forehead. So far that is how it looks like. It's very dewy and very glowy. So I guess that's pretty nice, right? I'm going to go in with the concealer. I'm gonna use the light beige concealer. Some of the product came out, so I already have it on my hand. I don't like to waste stuff. So I'm gonna take some of this, put it on my face. Definitely need some here, just a little bit. I think I might need more. And now I'm gonna blend it in with my beauty blender again. Okay, so the concealer I think is doing a pretty good job actually. It definitely has good coverage. This says it's for under the eye, but definitely I used it for some of my other blemishes on my face. Okay, this definitely has a lot of coverage. However, my skin is still very like dewy. The concealer definitely is a full coverage concealer. It is concealing my face quite well. So far, my skin, only like my forehead is drying up a little bit, but that's because my skin texture everywhere else seems pretty fine so far. Next, I am going to go in, put some eyeshadow on. I kind of like let some concealer drag up to my eyelids, so because I don't want to put too much eyeshadow on. Let's move on to eyeliner. I am using the Rare Beauty eyeliner by Miss Selena Gomez. You can kind of tell that this has definitely went through some wear because I've been using this for like a good few months. Eyeliner usually is the hardest part for me to do because I always want it to be perfect and I need it to be like really, really pointy. Yeah, I messed up a little there. I had to do my eyeliner off camera because it was really hard to get it straight. I had to keep going in and like wiping it off and putting it back on, but this is the end result. I love to make my eyeliner like super pointy. I'm going to do my eyebrows. Hopefully I get it right this time. I'm going to use the Babe Brow volumizing brow filler. It's like the easiest thing that I am able to use. Everything else is like, the pencil is just too hard. For some reason I just can't use it. It's hard. I am going to try their blush. I'm so excited. And their highlighter, but I have no idea how to actually use it. But I'm gonna moisturize my lips first. Okay, I think there is something in here because look how it like changes the color of my lips. I think that's like what it's meant to do, and I had no idea. I did not know that that was supposed to be like that. PH, oh yeah, it's literally in the name, PH lip balm. But look at that color change. I am gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty contour in the color Honey. I'm gonna go in with the blush first. I honestly don't know how to use it. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna put it on with my finger first. This is very subtle, I think, and I really like that. I really like how it's not like, boom, in your face blush, because I'm not really into that. So this is perfect. I really do like this. And now I'm going to go in with the highlighter, and I'm assuming I do the same thing. I'm just gonna, wow. I'm gonna put some on my nose bridge too. I am going to put my lashes on. I love my lashes. So the lashes I'm gonna use are from Ciao Amore. They were kind to send me their entire first line of lashes, and I've worn these a few times already, and they look like this. Look how beautiful they are. I love how like dainty they are, and it's just perfect. Whenever I do this kind of eyeliner, I don't draw it all the way in. I use white lash glue. What I'm gonna do is just apply some glue while I put glue on the other lash. So kind of like dry off a little bit, so it's so much easier to put lashes on. We're gonna let this one sit. Always put a little bit extra on the inside corner. Since it's so close to like the fold of your eyes, you don't want to be caught with lifting eyelashes. Just trust me on that. Nobody wants their eyelash just lifting off the corner. It's not cute. I'm gonna take my lash, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna below my eye, so I'm like looking downwards, and all I have to do is just place it on my lash line, which makes the process a whole lot easier. I like to put the middle on first because then it gives me a better way to do the end, you know what I mean? Whew. Now I'm gonna go and apply the other lap. I just place that on and then grab the corner and place that on too. Yeah, just like that. Wait, no. Let me fix the corner real quick. Okay. There you go. I got my lashes on. I'm gonna use the Extrava mascara. Apply some on my top and bottom lashes. Finally, I'm gonna take the NYX Finishing Spray and spray it all over my face so everything will stay. Usually, I like to take my blender and kind of just like press it into my skin. But I know with some products, it like takes the foundation or whatever you have on your face off with it, and that's like not okay. That's not. And there we go. This is what my everyday makeup would typically look like. This is my look. If I go out somewhere, this is the look that I try to aim for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that. That will mean so much to me.